अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS602 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन 2024। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स रिजल्ट इन डैश क्वांटिटी। करेक्ट आंसर इज स्केलर। Question number 2. Einstein, among other well-known names in the world of science, his theory of relativity maintains that space and time are merely different aspects of the dash thing. Correct answer is same. Question number 3. OpenGL is built for compatibility across hardware and operating system. This architecture make it easy to port OpenGL program from one system to another while each operating system has dash requirement. Correct answer is unique. Question number 4. The rate at which light intensity decreases at a greater distance is called as dash. Correct answer is light attenuation. Question number 5. In order to get a more realistic representation of lightning, we will need to understand how light passes through a medium and how hitting the boundary layer at the dash of two media can affect light properties. Correct answer is intersections. Question number 6. What makes this really challenging to model is that the index of refraction for most material is a function of the dash of the light. This means that not only is there a shift in the angle of refraction but that the shift is different for differing dash of light. Correct answer is wavelength, wavelength. Question number 7. Refractive index is a function of temperature mostly due to density change in materials with change in temperature. Correct answer is true. NURBS stand for correct answer is non-uniform rational beta splines. Question number 9. A space curve is not confined to a plane. It is free to twist through a space. To define a space curve, we must use parametric functions that are dash. Correct answer is cubic polynomials. स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है कि आपके कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो रहे होंगे। अगर मज़ीद कोई MCQs का आंसर गलत नज़र आए आप कमेंट में बता दीजिएगा। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें। Question number 10. With similar expression for YU and ZU, again the ABC and term are constant coefficient as we did with equation for a plane curve. We combine the XU, YU and ZU expression into a single vector equation PU equal dash. Correct answer is AU3 plus BU2 plus CU plus D. Question number 11. To convert the information in the A metric into the required for the P metric, we do some simple metric algebra. First we have U A is equal to U and P, then simply A is equal to, correct answer is NP. Question number 12. Bezier curve is the ideal standard for representing the dash piecewise polynomial curve. Correct answer is more complex. Question number 13. For high quality images, it's a good idea to subdivide more on the silhouette edges than in the interior. If the surface is to be rotated relative to the eye, this is tougher to do since the edges keep moving. Edges occur where the dash are perpendicular to the vector from the surface to the viewpoint. Correct answer is normal vectors. Question number 14. A 20-sided approximation to a sphere does not look good unless the image of the sphere on the screen is quite dash, but there is an easy way to increase the accuracy of the approximation. Correct answer is small. Question number 15. A recursive dash technique can be used for other types of surveys. Typically, the recursion ends either if a certain depth is reached or if some condition on the curvature is satisfied. Correct answer is subdivision. Question number 16. According to Webster Dictionary, a fractal is defined as being derived from the Latin word dash, meaning broken, various extremely irregular curves or shapes that repeat themselves at any scale on which they are examined. Correct answer is fractious. Question number 17. The dash is most simple example that exhibit the property self-similarity. Correct answer is fern. Question number 18. The transformation process to produce the desired scene for viewing is analogous to taking a photograph with the dash. Correct answer is camera. Question number 19. Projection transformation that construct A4 multiply 4 metric M, which is then multiplied by the coordinate of each vertex V in the scene to accomplish the transformation V is equal to MV. Remember that vertices always have dash coordinate, so in most case W is 1 and for two-dimensional data Z is 0. Correct answer is 4. Question number 20. The viewing transformation can be specified. The current metric is set to the dash metric GL load identity. This step is necessary since most of transformation command multiply the current metric by specified metric and set the result to current metric. Correct answer is identity. Question number 21. Dash basic type of projection are provided for us by OpenGL along with several corresponding commands for describing the relevant parameter in different ways. Correct answer is 2. Question number 22. Rendering a lit sphere having steps required to add lighting to our scene. Define dash vector for each vertex of all the object. These vectors determine the orientation of the object relative to light resource. Correct answer is normal. Question number 23. Triangle fans conceptually look like the folding fans you see in shops. Correct answer is 2. Question number 24. Dark lights are nothing more than lights in which one or more of the color values are. Correct answer is negative. Question number 25. Which is the oldest in given type of the shading? Correct answer is flat shading. Question number 26. Dash is used for circumference of a circle. Correct answer is none of given option. Question number 27. Both boundary filling and flood filling algorithm are dash than scan line filling algorithm. Correct answer is better. Question number 28. Save a line with both endpoint inside all clipping boundaries is called as dash. Correct answer is tribal except. Question number 27. Tomography is the technique used in dash. Correct answer is X-rays photography. Question number 30. Dash polygons are clipped correctly by Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm. Correct answer is convex. Question number 31. The axonometric projection is dash where the direction of projection makes the same angle with all three axes. Correct answer is isometric projection. Please like, subscribe and comment my channel.